Unlock the hidden stories within your data and transform complex datasets into your strongest strategic asset using the power of Deepseek AI for data analysis. This tutorial will guide you step by step through leveraging Deepseek to perform powerful data analysis, from bringing your raw data into shape to uncovering actionable intelligence. Our first critical step is data cleaning. Deepseek's AI capabilities can identify and handle missing values, correct inconsistencies, and remove duplicates efficiently, ensuring your analysis is built on a foundation of accuracy. Next, we move to statistical modeling. Deepseek can help you explore relationships between variables, uncover statistical significance, and build predictive models without requiring you to be a seasoned statistician. It intelligently applies appropriate models to your data. Finally, we bring our findings to life with visualization. Deepseek can automatically generate insightful charts and graphs that make complex trends and patterns immediately understandable, allowing you to identify key insights effortlessly. By mastering these techniques with Deepseek, you'll gain the ability to extract meaningful insights, pinpoint crucial trends, and make robust, data-driven decisions that propel your projects and business forward. Let's transform your raw data into actionable intelligence together.